How to buy MIU token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. As you can see, before going to buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token, as you can see, it's available on the screener. So to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here, and remember this token address came under the SUI network. Open your wallet for that. I will use the Bitkit wallet. Select the SUI as a network here, click on this plus icon, paste the token address here. As you can see, this is our token. Click on plus here to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added. So this is it. Now click on it. After that, click on swap. Switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT. Now make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet, and here type how much you want to buy. As you can see, this is how much you will be receiving. After that, click on buy now, and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy a MIU token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.